July 13th asks you to pick up a geological rock, fully own your geekness, and choose one deliberate day in blissful denial of hard reality. National Rock Day celebrates rocks in all their igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic variety, the collectors, field geologists, and curious children who pursue them as hobby or career. Embrace Your Geekness Day is the annual permission to go full throttle on whatever fandom or niche interest you've been quietly nursing. Fool's Paradise Day is the deliberate choice to set anxiety aside and spend a day in whatever mental landscape makes you happiest. Gruntled Workers Day honors genuinely satisfied employees, a rare, real, and worth celebrating category. National Beans and Franks Day marks the summer pairing of hot dogs and baked beans over an open fire. Beef Tallow Day rendered beef fat, returning to the kitchens of home cooks and restaurant chefs alike. Pick up a rock, embrace the fandom, stay in the paradise, follow National Today, and help us celebrate every day of the year.